If you're just joining us, Expedition 68 flight engineers Josh Cassada and Frank Rubio of NASA began a spacewalk at 8:14 a.m. Central Time to assemble a mounting bracket on the starboard side of the station's truss assembly in preparation for the installation of a pair of International Space Station rollout solar arrays on the space station. Cassada, designated extravehicular crew member 1 EV1, is wearing the suit with the red stripes. Rubio, designated extravehicular crew member 2 or EV2, is in an unmarked suit. The duo have completed multiple tasks on their list today, but due to some early on troubleshooting, are just about 50 minutes behind their scheduled